Greetings, travelers. I am Geralt of Rivia, the White Wolf, and today we delve into the shadows that lie between right and wrong. Welcome to Witcher Wisdom, where we navigate the treacherous waters of moral gray areas. Life is not a simple path of black and white. It's a tapestry woven with shades of gray. As a Witcher, I've often found myself at crossroads, faced with decisions where the right choice isn't always clear. Every decision has consequences, often unforeseen. What may seem like a noble act could sow the seeds of discord, and a seemingly selfish choice might lead to unexpected alliances. In a world teeming with monsters and men alike, compromise becomes an art. It's about finding common ground, understanding the motivations of those around you, and making choices that reflect the lesser evil. Though the path is murky, one must still uphold a personal code. In the face of moral ambiguity, I've learned that staying true to one's principles is a beacon in the dark, guiding through the fog of uncertainty. Decisions weigh heavy on the soul, the weight of choices, the burden of consequences. It's the nature of existence. It's essential to bear the load with grace and learn from the choices we make. In navigating the moral gray areas, remember this: life seldom provides easy answers. Embrace the complexity, learn from your decisions, and be wary of the consequences that may arise. As the White Wolf, I've walked these shadowy paths, and in doing so, discovered the true essence of being human. Farewell, travelers. Until our paths cross again, may you find wisdom in the choices you make, and may your journey be filled with purpose and meaning.